Stop burning your money on your business. Now you can build one smart system with one employee and enjoy unlimited growth for your business. Yes, just one. eManager's ERP software take care of everything from products, raw materials, accounts, inventory, sales, HR, payroll, stock management, calls, CRM. Every function, every department, every workflow managed seamlessly from one powerful platform. And with our ISO qualified standard 3-layer real-time data security system, your data moves faster, safer, and 100% accurately, boosting your work capacity while cutting down time, effort, and cost. So, no ERP? Then your business is still living in bronze era. With eManager software, reports come so fast, you'll think your system has superpowers. Upgrade your business, level up your operations, and compete with the big players confidently with eManager ERP. Want the magic? Contact eManager for a demo.